Hola, friends. Welcome to Learning with Mr. Ryan. I'm Mr. Ryan. Welcome. Thank you for joining me. On my channel, in the videos we learn about colors and animals and counting and shapes, and we learn some Spanish too. Isn't that exciting? I have fun. I hope you do too. Today we're gonna play Guess the Animal, and I have this little toy that's gonna help.
Woo!
It has different animals on it, and we get to hear the noises that they make and guess which one it is. Are you ready to play with me? Okay, let's start. Did you hear that? I think that was, that was a big roar. So let's see, there's lots of teeth, and it's gold and has a big long fur and a big mane, and it's the king of the jungle. Do you know what it is? It's a lion. Yeah, that's the lion. He's a fun lion right there. Wow, those are some huge lions. Did you hear them? Can you roar with me like a lion? Roar! Roar! If y'all do it one more time, I bet we can go to the next animal. 1, 2, roar! Good job. Okay, let's go to the next one. We don't know what it would be, so boop. Wow, did you hear that? Okay, this animal is green and it lives in swamps and lakes on lily pads. It can swim and it eats flies with its big long tongue. Do you know what it is? It's a frog. Can you say it with me? Frog. 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 That's right. In Spanish, it's rana. 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 Yes. Look at all the frogs we get to see now. Okay, friends, don't you wish you could leap like a frog, jumping to and fro? I do. What sound does a frog make again? Ribbit, ribbit, ribbit. That's right. Okay, let's move on to the next animal. Boop. Did you hear it? Some of you, I bet, have this animal at home. They're friendly, they love people, they wag their tails and get all excited. Yeah, it was a dog. Woof, 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 woof. Say it with me, dog. 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 In Spanish, it's perro. 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 Nice. Now let's look at all the different kinds of dogs there are. Okay, do you have a dog at home? I do. I love my dogs. Okay, let's go to the next animal. What'll it be? Boop. Did you hear that? It's oink, oink, oink. What is that? What animal makes that? Let's see. They have curly little tails. They've got ears that are kind of floppy. A nose that's all scrunched up and flat. They live on farms. That's right, it was a pig. There's one. It was a pig. Can you say what a pig says? Oink, oink, oink. Oink, oink, oink. Yeah. Okay, let's look at different pictures of pigs. That was the pig. Pigs are fun animals. They're supposed to be very smart, but I haven't given one a test. Have you? Silly pigs. Okay, let's hear the next one. Boop. Ooh, what animal was that? Let's see. They're usually brown. They have big long tails. And they hang from trees. And they love to eat bananas. Do you know what it is? It's a monkey. Can you say it with me? Monkey. 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 In Spanish, it's mono. 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 Nice. The monkeys hang from trees with their tails and they fly around the forests and the jungles. Wow, let's watch some videos of monkeys. Woo, 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 ha, ha, ha. Woo, 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 ha, ha, ha. Yeah, that's what a monkey does. Okay, let's go to the next animal. Boop. Oh, I bet you know this one. It's big. It's so, so big. It's bigger than a car. And it's gray. It's got a big, long trunk. And it makes that awesome noise. What do you think it is? It's an elephant. Say it with me. Elephant. 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 In Spanish, it's elefante. Say that with me. Elefante. 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 Yeah, so the elephant is the biggest animal. And it stomps around. Stomp, 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 stomp. Okay, that was the last animal on the ball. Thank you for playing with me. That was so much fun.